rectangle, triangle.
हाँ hexagon तो दिख रहा है।
Ma'am, it's square or like
Okay. This is been made by that rubber, no? Okay. Good.
लाउडली बोलना था ना।
Square of section 4. Square of 4 is name.
It's a kind of theory. You can use it for teaching the students of 12th to 6th and age of personality.
It's okay.
If we are not knowing about what is the square of 5, so then square of 5 is 20.
We have made this working model of Taylor's theorem. So let's first we start with the definition. A line drawn parallel any side of triangle divide the other two sides of triangle, which is proportionality or in a same ratio. And this Thales theorem, which is also known as basic proportionality theorem. Now, this I would like to share to explain this working.
In this theorem, two scales are arranged regularly, parallel to each other in a cardboard base, where one scale is arranged parallel to the base and it is attached by the two pulleys. And this theorem is applicable for all the types of triangles, that are equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and scalene triangle. So first, I would like to prove this equilateral triangle, and I am considering this as PQR. Now I am going to adjust this here, and this theorem states that this part upon this part is equals to this part upon this part. So I consider this line as where this touches the points C and D, and PC is equals to 12 centimeter, and R is also equals to 12 centimeter, and QD is also equals to 12 centimeter, and
This we have to see. जब ये एडजस्ट करेंगे इस पे तो ये जो मेजरमेंट है ये स्केल पे यहाँ तक का सेम आता है, और ये जब आप यहाँ से यहाँ तक का आप स्केल रखते हैं तो ये तो बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी थ्योरम इज दैट कि द लाइन सेगमेंट जॉइनिंग द टू साइड्स ऑफ ट्रायंगल विच इज पैरेलल टू थर्ड साइड, मतलब दो साइड को बराबर रेशो में बांटता है, ये अपॉन में जितना आएगा ये अपॉन में भी उतना आएगा। तो उसको प्रूव करने के लिए उन्होंने स्टैंडर्ड बना दिया है ऐसा, और अब इस पर कोई भी ट्रायंगल रखते हैं एक फिक्स में, ये तुम्हारा पैरेलल सही नहीं है, थोड़ा तिरछा जा रहा है, तो ये जब आप जो भी ट्रायंगल को आप यहाँ सेट करोगे ना तो वो ट्रायंगल को बिल्कुल किसी भी तो वो ऊपर का दिस इज Thales theorem, which is also known as basic proportionality theorem.
Good, very good.
Types of polygon and their interior types.
first of
थोड़ा
all,
जोर से बोलो बेटा। हाँ।
we have to know what
Yes.
Polygon reflects two-dimensional shape made with three or more straight lines. For example, triangle has three sides. Let me explain you. Triangle has three sides, 1, 2, and 3. And quadrilateral has four sides.
What is polygon equation? A figure formed by joining the line segments. So the smallest polygon is triangle. So first 3 से जुड़ा, अब now you can make square, फिर 5 sides करेंगे, pentagon, hexagon.
Types of polygon.
Types
How
of
can we know about the interior angle and each interior Simon explains about it?
Interior and interior angle of any polygon be equal to form not and minus 2 into 1. Here n represents the number of sides. So a quadrilateral has 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we F4 minus 2 equals to 2. And 4 into 1 is 3. So by this formula we can find the interior angle of n quadrants.
Sum of interior angles, all 4. And if you want to find each interior angle, then
n minus 2 into 180 upon
divided by n.
So n minus 2 into 180 is 180 into 2 is 360, and if we divide 360 by the number of sides 1, 2, 3, 4, so we get
Single angle is equals to 90 degree. So each angle of square is 90 degree. This one, simple interest, compound interest. No, we will explain it.
So compound interest is a type of interest in which the interest is calculated only on the principal or the initial amount. Just for example, here is the data. I will explain you with the same principle, same date and same time, and the difference between both of these two dates. So 1 lakh, the principal is 1 lakh, rate is 5% per annum, and put the time per year. So in simple interest, 1 lakh will become, for the first year will become 1 lakh 5,000. For the second year it will become 1 lakh 10,000, and for the third year it will become 1 lakh 15,000, and for the fourth year or last year it will become 1 lakh 20,000. For finding it, there is a simple formula. Simple interest is equals to principal into rate into time upon 100. So in simple interest, we are getting rupees 20,000 as simple interest. For the compound interest is basically a type of interest in which the interest is calculated on currently total, meaning principal plus the interest, the previous year interest. For the first year, 1 lakh will become 1 lakh 5,000. Second year, it will become 1 lakh 10,250 rupees. For the third year, it will become 1 lakh 15,762.50 rupees. And for the fourth year, it will become 1 lakh 21,556 rupees. So here you can identify that we are getting more interest in compound interest as compared to
technology. In ancient time, the brick size was varied by region, but in the Indus Valley civilization, the uniform brick size are used. And we talk about this ratio. The strength is always double to the breadth and 4 times the thickness.
Good morning, my name is Aman Gupta. I am going to explain about the town planning. They are divided into 2 towns, citadel towns and lower. These are
High hill areas.
massive height, approximately 6 meter high, and the area of citadel town is around almost 80 to 100 hectares, and the area of lower town is almost 250 hectares. Thank you.
I am going to explain about drainage and slope calculation. So the drain were made very side but constant slope. Example, 1 inch for every 10 feet. The precise ensured that the water flowed outside the city naturally without debris accumulating, and the joint either manholes are estimated regularly spaced inspection trap or manholes that ensure that the rate of flowing water and blockage, mathematical probability of blockage of
Drainage. Okay.
Good morning. My name is Om Prakash Tiwari. I am here to talk about the concept of weight and measurements of the Indus Valley civilization, which is also known as church system. Church system mainly consists of two items like binary scale systems and standard unit system. Binary scale system is mainly used for precious items like jewelry, which is around 64 grams, and
So you are explaining about what?
measurements and weight system.
Measurements and weight system.
At that time,
At that
what
time,
measurement
okay.
and weight system they were using?
Using, okay.
And standard unit is also the standard unit is 13.63 gram, which is used by all the cities of that time. The standard unit
The lower level, because whenever the flood will come, then it will not damage the citadel, because it was the area for the priest VIPs areas.
The upper areas, no? Upper,
They had
so
storage,
the
granaries and all.
Because it was very important for their livelihood.
This is called center of the circle. Then we have main parts of the circle are center, radius, diameter, arc, chord, segment, and etc. Then we have angle
Shared memory. Right. Number below? Okay. 7.
इसमें जो 7 है ना, इसमें 7 का वो डालेंगे.
Camera.
इसमें 6 का भी डालेंगे. 3, 4, 5, 6. मैं इसमें टोटल करके लिखूँगी. गिनना कपूर को.
Okay. कपूर गिरी से कितना होगा? 7 plus 6 कितना होगा?
How much?
13.
Okay.
So they are having answers there. They will put this at
Okay. Okay, good.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Yatik Kamble. My project is a working model of compound variation. In this indirect variation, if the value of one increases, the value of other is also increases, and as you can see here. Or if the value of one decreases, the value of other is also decreases. And in a situation, if the value of one increases, the value of other decreases, and decreases, the value of other increases. It is known as indirect variation. Indirect variation. If a car runs 100 kilometers in 2 hours, so how much kilometer a car runs in 4 hours? So if the time increases, the distance also increases. So it is an example of direct variation. In 4 hours, a car runs 200 kilometers. So it is an example of direct variation. Or in indirect variation, 10 laborers take 15 days to make a building. So how much laborers can make a building in 14 days? So if the number of labor increase, the day will decrease.
Student of class 3. Today I explain probability by using deck of party. Deck has 52 parts. Probability means the event. Probability means the chance happening. Probability means the chance of an event happening.